Well, hi, my name is Debbie. Welcome back to Fabric Fit Sew. I want to thank all my new subscribers over the last week, all the thumbs up, the comments. It has been fun to watch, fun to see communities developing, and I just want to hop on here this Wednesday evening and thank everyone for that. I also want to say I won't be uploading any more these main videos on Wednesday nights here in the US. They're going to be uploaded on Saturday nights between 5 and 6 in the evening Central Time in the US. The reason for that and the reason for this decision is because it seems as though YouTube shows my videos and puts my videos out in front of more people on the weekends. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is just a video to say, hey, I'm still here. For those who have been watching me on Wednesday nights, you're going to see me on Saturday evenings and of course Sunday mornings. So Saturday the 15th, which is just a few days from now, a couple days from now, I will be uploading at 6 p.m. Central Time on Saturday. And I'm going to stay with that for quite a while and see what happens. I think because I am a young channel, that is pretty easy for me to do right now. Whereas if I had thousands of subscribers, so forth and so on, changing up my days would be a little bit more difficult. So that is why I have made this decision to right now. Also, I want to say that please, when you watch videos, see if you can find a video on my channel and watch them from the beginning to the end and leave a comment or just a thumbs up. Here's the thing. I am a YouTube watcher. I have watched videos for years on YouTube. I have my favorite channels I have for years. And I always give that channel, after they have put out a video, I always at least give them a thumbs up. But what happens, I think, and I noticed this in the Google Analytics, is many of us now are watching our YouTubers on our big screen TV. Well, on a big screen TV, can we write a comment? That's a little difficult. Why? Because you got the TV in front of you. I have learned on the TV how to scroll around with my TV clicker and give people a like, but it's been difficult to give people a comment. So what I have done is I take my cell phone with me when I watch a YouTuber, and after their video is done, I will go to my cell phone. I will stop just before the video is over. I will pause it just before the video is over. I will go to my cell phone then that I have with me and get out there on YouTube, and I will like what I just watched, and I will leave a comment, even if it's just say, hey, hi, that was a great video. I can't wait to see the next one. And that's what I have been doing. And I noticed that so many of us now are watching, as me, our videos on laptops, on big screen TVs, and on notepads. So, and not as much on cell phones like how we used to do. So that would be greatly appreciated. Also, I don't know how this is going to go over, but I'm going to give it a try. So please try to be a little bit understanding. But YouTube has just recently, like in the last 4 days, has really changed the YouTube community and the YouTube way of us creators doing things. Monetizing on YouTube is not necessarily a real goal of mine. Community is a goal for me. Making hundreds and thousands and stuff on YouTube is not a goal for me. I am 67. I am retired. I'm happily retired. And I started this channel just because, as you know, I sew in my basement, and there's just not a lot of people that I know of that are seamstress, a lot of quilters, but not a lot of seamstress. So I'm lacking community. And I thought YouTube would be a great way of finding my people. And that is exactly what is happening right now. However, with that said, if you know me, you know that I am very competitive. And when somebody puts something in front of me and I see a race of some kind, and a race that I think would be fun with something that I am particularly interested in or already involved in, I will accept the race. So what YouTube has done, and listen, they have the right to do whatever they want to do. This is their platform, and creators are privileged to be on their platform. So this is their rules, what they've put forth, and they have good reason to do so. But for us little people out here, it makes it more difficult. So all I'm asking from you is subscribe to my channel, give me a comment, give me a thumbs up, but also watch the video from the beginning to the end. If you do that for me, I'm going to work really hard to stop my videos between 25 and 30 minutes tops. I mean, I am chitty chatty, I'm Gabby. That is why I come out on YouTube, because I can be in my basement and I can talk and carry on and be chitty chatty. And so I have to be careful. But if you could watch the video from beginning to end, that way YouTube will know, and the algorithm or whatever of YouTube will know that my audience, the people that are interested, are really truly interested, and that they are investing, subscribers are investing time. So, and I know it's time. That's why I'm going to work hard on keeping the the time down to 25 to 30 minutes. I think my sewing room went up to like 45 minutes. And for me, it just went so fast because, well, I'm just gabbing about things, and I lose track of time. So even still, if you have subscribed and it was because of the tour, please just watch it till the end. What YouTube has done is they have upped the game to 8,000 hours of watch time. It's going to start next year, and I believe February 1st. So we have from now until February 1st to get ourselves lined up to becoming a partner with YouTube. Now that isn't so important to me. However, I like the challenge. You know what I'm saying? I like the challenge. So especially being 67 years old, it's kind of like the odds are stacked against me from the very beginning, and being on my cell phone, and it's an Android, you guys. It is not even an Apple phone. It's an Android phone. So, and that was something that I chose to do, to learn how to do all this on my phone until I decide to go out and get the big camera, the video YouTube camera. So I have about 5 months to get 1,000 subscribers. But not only that, a good 4,000 of watch time hours. And I will be grandfathered into the YouTube programs. After that, February 1st of 2027, all that changes. And to get into the partnership of YouTube, all of these us little channels and stuff will have to have 8,000 of watch time hours in a certain time slot, or we will not qualify, period. So that's one reason why I have chosen to start uploading my content more on a Saturday evening. And it just seems like it's doing better Saturday evening and Sundays than weekdays. So anyway, I wanted to just hop in here, do a little bit of housekeeping, YouTube keeping. You know, I did say in the very beginning, it might have been my premiere video a couple months ago, I think by now, that there is a geeky side to me. And I do kind of geek out with all the algorithm stuff and kind of, figuring out how it all works and stuff. And I know it's about personality. I know it's about relationships. I know it's about giving something to you guys that you find interesting, that you want to watch. And that's in itself quite a challenge. And I'm here for it, just so that you know. But it's been, it's been a challenge. And anyway, I'm not going to let this video go on too much longer. But that is one reason why you're seeing this type of video on a Wednesday evening, Central Time in the US right now. On Saturday in the evening again, between 5 and 6, and that's Saturday the 15th, between 5 and 6, my normal content creator stuff will be presented to you. If you have questions, if you have suggestions, if there's something that you would like to see, if there's something that you want more of, or any kind of suggestions, please leave it in the comments. Also, in the description box down below, you got to scroll down below. I have my email down there. You can email me with suggestions, with some thoughts, whatever you like. I am open. So, because I have said before, what good is any of this without you? This is not about me, my stuff, me. I am looking for community. So please share, ring the bell, things. Share, ring the bell, subscribe, leave comments, watch the video all the way from the beginning to the end and get that, the watch hours up. And I thought, at the end, if I can get myself in, let's say January in 2027, if I can get myself into the YouTube program, it's called being grandfathered in before it just blows up. There might be something that I'm going to do at the end of it. My wheels are spinning, and maybe a prize, maybe a contest, something to give to you guys, an incentive to run the race with me. That's what I want. Will you guys please run the race with me? How fun would that be? Anyway, we'll see you on Saturday. Have a great rest of your week, and we will be talking to you soon. Bye.